Weight within tolerance, gate adjusting flow. Calibration confirmed, next batch proceeding. Efficiency metrics optimal, lines synchronized. In a sterile lab, technicians and robots perform precise quality tests on raw materials. Automated arms load samples into rigs, while monitors display industrial efficiency and high-quality results. Optical scanners capture every detail of the finished PCBs. Flag boards are diverted for review as the line continues. Workers analyze the flag boards in real time. Lightweight propellers are molded and precisely trimmed.
Mold is set, trimming for balance.
The propeller is spun on a calibration rig for testing. Imbalance detected. Automated systems ensure stability and peak efficiency. Battery packs move through the charging stations, verifying capacity and performance. Data screens update continuously, while cooling systems circulate air. Automated cutters precisely measure and slice the wiring harnesses. Workers then bundle and label the cables. This synchronized process exemplifies industrial efficiency. In a state-of-the-art facility, drone frames are mounted on assembly rigs, ready for integration. Robotic arms install internal supports with unerring precision, while workers guide the process in professional manufacturing. Workers and automated systems collaborate in real time, routing cables through frame channels with precision. Automated guides lock each connection, ensuring flawless internal routing. Connection secured. Robotic arms install cameras, GPS, and sensor modules. Calibration lasers align components precisely for flawless integration. This close-up reveals the meticulous sensor positioning driving high-tech innovation.
Fitment is perfect, sealing complete.
Confirmed. Unit is secure.
Next station, efficiency metrics look strong.
Initial power-on diagnostics commence as assembled drones move through the facility. Workers monitor real-time metrics on diagnostic screens, ensuring optimal performance, revealing the precision of the workflow. In controlled chambers, robotic arms stack lithium cells into battery packs. Connectors are welded with precision as automated workflow ensures high-quality, efficient production. Drones deploy in controlled chambers, capturing reference images for analysis. Automated tracking ensures efficient progression through the testing workflow. Alignment confirmed, ready to torque, clear, proceeding. 80 foot-pounds, locking it down. Check, visual balance looks good, confirmed, good install. Initiating controlled discharge cycle on Unit 3. Voltage holding steady at 3.7 volts. Monitor the temperature. Flag if it exceeds 45 degrees. Confirm. Temperature is nominal at 38 degrees. Torque is uniform. All joints are secure.
Confirmed. Moving to the next station.
Visual inspection complete. Flagging a minor wiring anomaly on Unit 1. Copy that. Running electronic diagnostics now on Unit 2, passive packaging. Box scanned, tracking code assigned and verified. Next one passing through, all systems green. Efficiency metrics holding steady. Picking line active, retrieving pallet for order PO 45678. Forklift en route, positioning pallet on conveyor. Order complete, goods flowing to shipping. Pallet loaded, moving to truck. Straps tight, clear to reverse. Second pallet incoming. All secure, next load. Monitor shows TRK 4782 is delayed. Reroute via corridor B.
Confirmed dispatch for the next 3 vehicles. Dispatched. Queue is clear.
Careful with the packaging, we need to keep it pristine for display.
Got it. Following the display guidelines.
Good, keep the workflow steady.
All set, ready for the next batch.
In the showroom, staff meticulously calibrate each drone at interactive demo stations. Sensors aligned, running motor diagnostics now. Live screens provide real-time data, ensuring industrial efficiency. This is our latest model. It's incredibly stable, even with a slight breeze.
Impressive. And the safety tether keeps it secure?
Exactly, it allows us to safely demonstrate the flight capabilities indoors.
I see.
Automated software checks are running. All systems are stable. That's right. We're at 95% and climbing. Finally diagnosed to ready for shipments. Here are your packages, all verified.
Great, thank you.
Just confirm on the tablet.
Confirmed? We're all set.
Logging return drone ATX 7890. Intake logged, moving to inspection. Confirmed on conveyor. Next unit. In synchronized rows, drones undergo automated diagnostics. Workers monitor outputs, flagging units for repair. This workflow ensures industrial efficiency and quality. On the repair line, faulty components are swiftly removed by automated tools. New parts are precisely installed, with workers ensuring perfect alignment. The result is a seamless demonstration in high repair process. Initiating post-repair test cycle. Monitoring calibration sequence.
RPM stabilizing at target.
Performance restored. Certify unit. Plastic and metal scraps enter the facility, where they are sorted and prepared for melting. In the furnace, intense heat transforms the scrap into quality and safety as it moves to the molding systems. In this high-efficiency facility, sorted non-recyclable waste is transported via conveyor belts into sealed disposal units. This workflow demonstrates industrial biopollution and sustainability in waste management. Throughput on line 1 is up. Keep an eye on Sector B temperatures.
Confirmed. Feed from Assembly 3 is stable. No anomalies.
Copy that. I'll monitor the yield and flag any drops. Automated lubrication is complete. All systems are within operational parameters. Confirmed. Preventive check passed. Production continues uninterrupted. Automated rigs recalibrate precision instruments, ensuring accuracy across production lines. Workers then verify the outputs, confirming the workflow's precision and reliability process. The factory's energy management system dynamically balances loads to ensure uninterrupted power.
Panel 3 is at 85% capacity.
This proactive oversight maximizes efficiency and prevents downtime.
Pressure is stable at 125 psi. Valves clear. Nozzle alignment is good. Good. Now to the emergency station. Extinguisher is charged. Eye wash is full. Pallet incoming to dock 1. Clear the path. Got it. Bring it in steady. Next pallet to dock 4. Move it.
Tracking confirms package group 204 en route from Frankfurt to Singapore. Rerouting 112 to avoid congestion. ETA update in progress.
All regions green. Delivery coordination complete.